Thiko ya kere ya ithurano cia atongoria kamiti citiganite cia mbunge ya bururi na kamiti citanyihire 10 cigeria na utongoria na riu ni cikuhota kwambiriria wira wacio. Aria mathurirwo utongoria-ini wa kamiti ici ni aria mendekithitio ni miaho ya kiuteti na muno ngwataniro ya Kenya Kwanza na uthio wa uria atongoria mathuritwo uronania President Ruto no arahuthira iturwa ici gucokia ngatho kuri icigo iria ciarugamire na kiuteti hende ya githurano.
Every other party is well taken care of because we have independent who are considered in every single committee. We have the minority who are considered, have their numbers, and also the numbers from the majority. And the reason why it's like it's a consensus is that particular pre-arrangement that was done at the PG level.
Gicigo kia Mount Kenya kionekana kugetha na njira nene amu hari kamiti iria citafanĩtie ithurano kuma muthenya wa ira. Ambunge aria maumite Mount Kenya ni mathukiirwo utongoria wa kamiti citanyiheire kenda.
Ino niyo komiti iria yagirwo gukorwo ikiariria nginya kindu twitaga food security, ati thirikari ni yagirwo gukorwo igiukana njira cia kumenya ati twina irio cia kuigana. Hamwe na iturwa iria ciguthie Mount Kenya ni kamiti ya ukinyaniria na mitambo igitongorio ni mbunge wa Dagoretti South John Kiarie, kamiti ya kigina rungu rwa kuri ya Kimani wa Moro, kamiti ya motungata matiganite ma muingi igitongorio ni mbunge wa Thika Town Alice Ng'ang'a, na kamiti ya wonjoria na thothaite igitongorio ni mbunge wa Embakasi North James Gakuya. Tino ni weriroraga ni andu ariku me thibitari maturite thibitari ni maremirwo kuriha biro na maturite ku na matiri marekererio.
This parliament in general is very much prepared to regulate and put in order all the structures that's required for the same fund.
Kamiti ingi iria cigutongorio ni ambunge ya kuma gatagati ga bururi ni uruti wa wira igitongorio ni mbunge wa Runyenje Eric Karemba, ya ukui rungu rwa mbunge wa Dia George Kariuki, urimi igitongorio ni John Mutunga wa Tigania West, ugendi iritongoragio ni Kareke Mbiuki wa Mara, na mbunge wa Tharaka George Murugara agitongoria kamiti ya watho.
Many of our people are suffering from far away countries, and those are the issues that we need to look at as the Labour Committee.
Urimi na wonjoria nicio cikoragwo ari ituge nene cia utonga wa Mount Kenya, na ni gutanyitwo ati atongoria kamiti ici ni makuhuthira uge wao kugeria kung'ethanira na mathina maria mang'etheire honge ici cieri.
I have come up from that particular business, and I am the last person to nail it out.
Ambunge age aria mahetwo iturwa cia gutuika nini ya ikariri gite kamiti-ini citiganite ni Patrick Munene wa Chuka Igamba Ng'ombe, Githua wa Mashukuru wa Kabete na Jane Kihara wa Naivasha. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gujiri.